Installing the product is really easy, and you don't need the help of a professional. All you need is a ruler, a pen, a file, a level, glue, a handsaw and a trowel. We recommend that you use protective equipment, gloves and protective goggles. As we have a variety of shades in each box, we recommend that before beginning the installation, you mix the products from several boxes so as to have a harmony of colours. Before starting the installation, check that your support is dry and in good condition. For better adherence, we recommend that you scratch the back of the stones using a wire brush. Please try to emulate the positioning of the stones as shown in the product images. Begin the installation from a corner. Just place the stone in position and use a level to ensure it will be placed straight. Draw a line to mark its position. Apply the glue to the back of the stone, then place it on the wall, using a back and forth movement. Make sure that the next stone fits in its place and use a level to ensure that it's also straight. As before, draw a line to mark the position, apply glue and place it on the wall. Mark and cut a piece of one stone to complete the first row. Cutting is done easily using a handsaw. Begin the next row at the same point you began the previous one. Repeat the steps until you finish the installation. You can leave the wall as it is, or finish the installation with grout. Leave the stones for 24 hours before grouting them with the grout type of your choice. For grouting, you will need the grout, a grouting bag, a cutter, a trowel, a small brush and a mixing tool. A clean, empty bucket. Roll the grout bucket on the floor before opening it, in order to mix the content. You will find the grouting bag in the bucket. Use clean water for the grout mixture. The proportions to be used for each type of grout are written on the grout buckets. Mix the grout and water well until you have a smooth paste. We recommend not to prepare the whole quantity at once, but to work in areas of around 30 square foot to avoid that the grout hardens before you have a chance to apply it to the wall. Cut diagonally about 1 inch from the tip of the grouting bag and fill it about 2/3 with grout. When grouting, insert the tip of the grouting bag in the empty space between the stones almost in contact with the wall and fill the empty spaces by squeezing the bag. It's as easy as glazing a cake. If the grout overflows onto the stones, let it set and remove the excess at the final scraping. As soon as the grout begins to set, about 1 hour, depending on the ambient temperature and humidity, you can start finishing the grout. For this, you need to gently scratch away the surplus material. A brush with smooth bristles can be used afterwards for a finishing touch. After finishing the installation, we recommend using a water and oil repellent spray in order to facilitate the maintenance of the stones.